No light, but I got my flashlight with me. B20VTEC swap, it's done. Innovative AC bracket, AC is on there. Needs a recharge. Car starts up perfect first start, or actually throttle adjuster was too far down where it didn't want to stay on, but my friend took care of that. Now it stays on. Dual point to multi-point harness, unloomed right now because I'm just want to make sure that it's running right before I wrap it all up. About to convert OBD1. Just want to make sure it ran right first and OBD0 before I did OBD1. Car sounds like a monster because there's no exhaust right now. Gonna get that done tomorrow. Idle perfectly at 900 now. Check engine light for no O2 sensor. Huh. It's probably because it was warming up earlier. At 900. Yeah, the car starts up and I'm pretty damn happy. Charged my AC and I should be ready for the summer. We out of here.